Now, I will be showing my dashboard using the 5 datasets. This is the cover page, which shows the content for this dashboard. Moving on to the dashboard itself, I have used containers for different sets of data so that the display of chart will look neat and the couple or user know what chart they are looking at. By looking at the resident working person by travelling time to work, for travelling 16 to 30 minutes to work, Jurong West is the most percentage with 52.3%, followed by Tampines with 49.3%. For 31 to 45 minutes to work, Sengkang is the highest percentage with 33.6%. Travelling 46 to 60 minutes to work, Woodlands has the highest percentage of 35.5%. For travelling more than 60 minutes to work, Woodlands again has the highest percentage with 21%. Lastly, for travelling up to 15 minutes to work, Jurong West and Tampines, they are the two highest percentage with 23.1% and 22.2%. From these charts, it shows that the couple may consider Jurong West or Tampines for their new home if they want to travel lesser time to work. Next, for the resident population by type of dwelling, there are 7 sub-data that can be looked into. Since the couple is planning to have children in the future, they may look into bigger rooms of HDB flats and private or landed housing. For the 4-room flats, Jurong West have the most with 106,470 residents. For the 5-room and executive flats, Jurong West and Woodlands have the highest numbers with 106,320 residents and 105,570 residents respectively. In terms of condominiums and other apartments, Bedok has the highest with 48,690 residents. And lastly, for the landed properties, Bedok is also the highest with 45,160 residents. Therefore, if the couple decided to get bigger household size, they may consider Jurong West and Woodlands. However, if they want landed properties or condominiums, they may consider Bedok to be the best area to live in. Moving on to the working status of couple, this is just an additional information for the couple. Since they are of age below 35 years old and both are working, looking at the latest data, there are 75.9%, which is the highest number to have their own house. From these data, the couple will decide if it encourages them to own a house. For the resident population by ethnic group, these data show how multiracial an area is. It is important for them to live in a diverse area since they are planning to have children soon. From the data, they may consider Bedok, Jurong West, Tampines, and Woodlands. Lastly, for the resident population by age group, this data is useful for their future children to grow up in. In this case, they may look at age group 0 to 4 and 10 to 14. From these two data, we can conclude that they may consider Sengkang, Jurong West, and Woodlands. With high resident population, it can also say that there will be more schools for the children to choose from, and they will be more sociable and have a good environment to grow in. In addition, they may look into age group 80 to 40 and 85 and over if they want to bring their parents to live together. From the data, they may consider Bedok and Bukit Merah. This way, their parents, being the senior citizens, can be more socially active. With that, I will end my presentation for my visualization. Thank you.